Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Python comments. How to create comments in Python. First, let's understand why we need to create comments or the function of the comments. Basically, it helps you to better understand in your code, explain each of the lines that you have write in Python. When you write 5 or 10 lines of code, you understand what does it mean, but when the lines comes to hundreds rows or thousands of rows, it's better to have a comments in between to understand what of this section of codes mean. And also better, it also helps to collaborate with someone else code. When you share with your code with someone else, you don't want to sit with the guy and explain each of the lines, right? So when there's a comment, people can read your comment and understand what does it mean. Comments also a powerful tool to prevent execution when testing the code. So let's dive in of how to create a comment. Python comments starts with a hashtag, and Python will ignore the words that have been typed in after the hashtag. So basically, you can type in the hashtag in the front of the row, or you can also place at the end of the line, and Python will ignore the rest of the words. Don't worry about this print hello word won't print out. It will. So because the hashtag happens after the print statement. And here has a better example to demonstrate how to use comment in your code. As I defined a list of numbers and I put a comment what are these numbers for, and below I create a function. After a year, when I come back to read the codes, I want to understand what this function is for. I don't need to read the details of the function. I can just read the comment I wrote. When you print out the function, the commented words has been ignored. And Python doesn't really have a syntax for multi-line comments. So basically, for creating multi-line comments, you have to put hashtag in the front of each row. Then people will come to ask, how about using triple quotation as a comment in Python? It is right, you can use triple quotation as a comment, but need to note, use triple quotation is defines this section of the word that you put in as a string, but but are not defined as a variable, which means the Python will still read through each of the line and print the hello world. Beware of using multi-line string as a comment. So this is an example. If the code has previously defined the triple line string as a variable, means when someone print out the variable will print out the word that you intend to leave it as a comment. So be really careful of this part. The multi-line string is more for documentation purpose. That's it for today's video. If you like the content, please click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.